If you want a branded, trusted sewing machine from Singer that can picot, hem, embroider, ruffle, zigzag stitch, and make designs on your dresses, and you can also have the convenience of an electronic sewing machine in your home for home use for beginners, then Singer M1005 may be the best machine for you. In this video, you will get to know M1005 automatic zigzag sewing machine, for what type of people this machine is the best buy, and who should not even look in the direction of this machine, who should not buy this machine. So let's find out more about this machine, whether you should go for this machine that comes under rupees 5,000 because it seems to be a best buy, but why you should buy or why you should not buy M1005. This I'll explain in this video. So stay till the end to know more about this machine. Hello everyone, welcome on stitchingmall.com. I'm Dimple Anand, and in this video, this particular question came to us from Instagram, and here she has mentioned, I have seen couple of your videos and you have done a good job in explaining. Thank you so much. But you didn't talk about Singer M1005 model, which cost under 5,000 rupees. And I am planning to buy it because I need a machine for alteration purpose, only including jeans and stuff. So here you notice, only including jeans and stuff. So according to your knowledge, do you think that Singer M1005 model will be able to do the job I'm looking for? So Instagram, if I answer your question, see, the first thing you said, you want to buy Singer M1005 because it cost under 5,000 rupees. Yes, I agree. Singer M1005 is cost-effective machine, and it could be a best buy if you look at the price and the features. For inbuilt stitches it gives you, that is different types of straight stitches, and one is hemming, and then one is your zigzag. So in different combinations you can make certain embroidery designs using these combinations with stitch length and stitch width, right? Now second thing you said, you want this machine for alteration purpose. So my dear Instagram, understand one thing. Singer M1005 has 350 stitch per minute. That is the lowest, or that is the best for a beginner. If you are a beginner and if you are using an electric machine for the first time, you are afraid of the bigger models or more features, then maybe you are upgrading for the first time, then it may be a good idea to go for Singer M1005 first, because of the cost. Second, because it is less features, only 4 features. Basically it is a simple machine, electric machine with straight stitch, zigzag and hemming, right? So it is very less features. And third thing is the stitch per minute, that is speed of the machine is bare minimum. You understand that point? So if you stitch on and off, or you are not stitching regularly, you are just doing it using the machine only for alterations, then you can go for this machine. And having less SPM or less features is not a bad thing, because if you are a beginner, in any way you don't need too many features and too faster speed, right? Because that may scare you. As a beginner for home use, it is good to go for a cost effective, low features and low speed machine, right? But here you have added one more conditioning, that is including jeans and stuff. I don't know what do you mean by stuff. So I assume it could be light to medium fabrics or the home decor items you may be mentioning. But jeans, I can't say much because Singer M1005, it is the speed is 350 SPM only. And here, this is not the best machine to go for if you want to stitch a jeans. Okay. So according to you asked me, so according to your knowledge, do you think that Singer M1005 model will be able to do the job I'm looking for? I'm glad if you answered looking forward. Okay, see, according to my knowledge, my experience, M1005 model is beginner friendly machine. Okay, good to go if you are a complete beginner or you want a, you know, DIY, or sometimes you want to stitch, so that could be a good machine. But when you talk about jeans and stuff, this is not the machine. Maybe you should go for a higher model. Even the lowest model that I talk about, that is Dream Stitch, that is 550 SPM. So because jeans is, while you fold the jeans and you hem on that or you stitch on that, then you need faster machine, slightly a machine that can move on the fabric faster. So here maybe uh, a Wonder Stitch, or maybe the lowest I can talk, even Dream Stitch with 18 number needle, or rubbing that Lux soap or Lifebuoy dry soap on that fold of the jeans. You can do that. You can use even Dream Stitch, but not this 350 SPM machine, because machine will not move fast. It will not move. You will have a hard time stitching the hard material or heavy material. So this machine is not for heavy fabric at all. Okay. Secondly, if we talk about the features, you didn't mention any particular requirement, but yes, I tell you that this machine can do picot and your hemming, beading, basic ruffle, basic zigzag embroidery. If you want to do overlock on your dresses, then you can use a combination of zigzag stitching that I uh, explained in one of the earlier videos, how to do zigzag overlocking using a simple zigzag stitch on any fabric. So maybe you can use zigzag stitch for overlocking. And then this is the basic stuff this machine can do, right? So here, when we go back to your machine, then 3 needle positions you can have with Singer. So here you have your Singer 1055. That is a top loading machine. Spool pin is placed like this, and this is the auto bobbin winder. So that is easy to use machine, beginner friendly machine. You can put the bobbin here. So this is the bobbin case, and this is your machine. These are the straight stitches and your zigzag and this hem stitches. So total the combination are four or 7 stitch combinations you can have. Okay, and this way you can work with this machine. Maximum stitch width you get with this machine is 4 mm. Machine will be operated on electricity. Machine will be operated on electricity. You will get the foot pedal, and this is reverse stitch. This is the handrail. This is your design dial, thread tension, and normal this needle threader is not given. This is the free arm that you can remove, and you stitch on your circular, like bottom of the sleeve, or hem your jeans or pajamas or pants, right? So this is your machine. So in short, what I'd like to say, go for this machine, M1005. If you're a complete beginner, you're buying your first machine, you are afraid of electric sewing machine, you are afraid that in future you may not be using your machine, because if you are fond of sewing, you like to sew, or you like to stitch, you like to make beautiful things, then it's better to invest a little and go for a better machine. Rest is your option and your choice. uh, if you want to go for Singer, this machine, if you want to go for Singer M1005, there is one more machine, Brother JA20. There also you have two stitch design stitches. There also the machine comes in this range itself, like about 5,000, 7,000 something. So you may consider that machine also. So here also, even Singer is a branded names, one of the best machines. They have durable machines, good machines. You can go for it, for beginners, for children, basically for children who do not need much speed, for beginners, and for sometimes if you want to use the machine. For advanced stitching lovers, advanced fashion makers, this is not the machine. To know exactly what machine meets your needs, I suggest you to please go to stitchingmall.com, and there you compare based on SPM, features, and your budget, which machine meets your requirement. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel, liking the video, and sharing the video with all those people who are fond of stitching, fond of sewing machines, and want to earn money with stitching. Thank you so much. Take care. See you in the next video.